Hi, this is Ken Lau. Welcome to what Excel macro can do, right? I was inspired by the my student, Miss. She presented this, and she wants to calculate based on a diagram. So, for example, right, if you have some work that requires you to select the shape and then change the color, you can do so, right, by using this. Turn it to yellow color or turn it to yellow color, right? And if you have a multiple, you want to do a multiple one, right? So this one goes here, and these are manual, right? But can you do it faster? Well, it's possible, right? See that? Just click on the one buttons and it's yellow. Turn this into yellow, right? Have that. So now the next question is that if I have a group here, which is four normal table, it's going to be five dealers. And here is a rectangle, it's going to be two dealers. So here is five people, here is two, two, two. So 5 plus 2, 2, 2, it becomes 11. So you can actually do something like that. It's just press equal 5, which means here 5 dealers plus plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? You can do so that that's 11, but what if I clear this? Then this not change, right? So can we do it faster, right? We just click on this 9. That's it. 5 plus 4 9. We want to just clear one more, it just becomes 7, right? And if I just include one more group table and recheck, it becomes 12. And that is just one of the way that Excel VBA can do, right? So if you my students, right, takes 3 months to think about and couldn't find a solution, but finally I'm glad that I have a opportunity to help her, right? So within a few minutes, about 30 minutes, right, we solved the problem, right? And so to come to come to us, right, we are here to help. um, Speed Excel. We are in the business of training you to be a smart Excel user and automate some of your tasks. Thank you.